Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to remove specific rows from a table in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with table. Now I remove specific rows from this table. At first you have to select some specific rows. I select these two to drag on your mouse. Then right click on this rows. Then you can see here are delete rows option. Just click it. You can see I remove specific rows from a table in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.